it's all in the service of human, because the animals, they go all year around over here to the spring to drink water, and now they have to attain to the human experience. And how can we as humans disturb the nature as little as possible, but at the same time feel comfortable living amongst nature? As first of all, when we moved here, our primary goals were to rewild everything to be as natural as possible. And then we found the downsides, the mosquitoes, the things, and all the animals roaming around. So we started moving our lawn, cutting the grass, and doing all kinds of stuff, because we found that that our we modern humans, it's quite hard to live next to a field and next to a forest without controlling some boundaries of our own garden to tidy it up. But still, we are able to have a lot of wildlife over here, and that's also a selling proposition to a possible investor who wants to come and live in the village that we are creating, or someone who decides to purchase the house that we are building. That, for example, in our new forest that we bought, there are the signs or marks of the bear glass, that some bear has come there and scratched the trees. And we have lynxes and wolves and all kinds of smaller mammals roaming around. We have eagles, the sea eagles, and other similar birds hunting over our land. So it's just amazing to see all those animals and wildlife hanging around and actually giving this sense of interconnectedness. In many cities, that I heard a story that someone had a grandchild in London who had never seen a butterfly in her life. That's that's very strange, because when I go to London, London is quite a green city actually, but maybe a child was kidnapped by parents who were afraid of the natural environment. And many people actually get in modern society biophobia, that they are afraid of the nature, afraid of grounding, afraid of rewilding, afraid of being connected to the natural elements. But that's the only source of happiness and only source of anti-stress that we can literally attain for all of our lives.